Okay, Mike, here's that Craftsman impact driver that I was telling you about this morning. And what you could do is you could put this 1/2-inch drive adapter, and it's got to have this notch in it. So you put it on, you pull up, you could put a 17mm socket. So you could put a magnetic bit. You could put a 1/4-inch socket on that one. And you could put a square drive. It locks in, won't come out unless you pull back. So that's about it. It's got the 12-volt battery, and of course you got to buy all these. I got all these accessories like the extra long bits. That is your 11mm, about 6 inches long. So I got the metric, I got the standard. So as long as it has these the notch in it, it'll lock in. It won't fall out. So you can use it you can use it for sockets. You got the nut drivers. So it's a pretty good little tool. Should really have one, that's for sure.